How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Scroll down and navigate to Facebook and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. If your issue is still not fixed, then go to your home screen and hold on the Facebook application. Here you will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option and then tap on delete. Once deleted, open App Store again and then search for Facebook and reinstall the app again. See if the marketplace is available to you or not, and if it is still not available, then you can go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Facebook Marketplace and further log in if necessary and then use the web version of Marketplace. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.